is si Marco, guys. Okay, open na to. First is the trolley. Saan ka nag-bought nito? Where did you bought this one?
It's just 3 and this in all of them. And
Oh,
we have
here.
and we have cheeseburgers.
Here, guys.
And a hot dog.
Open ang kay tita kay para mag-cheers to. Wait! Mag-cheers to. Guys, let's cheers! Say hi to tita. Hi
Hi.
to Ate Inday nga wala dire. Let's cheers. No!
Hi,
Dati na
Ate.
na. Cheers! Oh! There's the devil, guys!
A puppet.
Ano na napalit?
Jordan ni akong mama.
Maka. Hoy! Ano ka?
Wala kaya tindaya sound.
Ah! Puppets? Ikaw yung masunod.
Ano?
Hi! Hi, Marco! 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 Ang fighting man ay for kids lang dahil ni Marco. Pwede sa ano? Hi, guys! I'm the friend of Marco!
Dad, can you open it?
It's open! Oh!
Why did you eat my burger?
No! I will open it! Here, Marco! I will open it! I kiss you!
No.
Bye! There's another one.
Yes.
Now, what's this? And we have... What's the name of this, Marco?
Triceratops.
Hi, I'm Triceratops. I'm Triceratops. I love Marco too. I will kiss Marco. Triceratops. Bye. Alright. What's this?
This is big.
No fighting. We're friends. Kitchen eh? What's this? I will kiss Marco. Another one?
Yes.
Guys, mag-unbox si Marco. Kayo, open sa dinosaur. Wow, nagkaon siya. Can I have one, guys? Mag-picture.
Taas naman fries.
Cool. Ah! Can I have one, Marco? Ashley! It's your ice cream, Marco. Marco, it's your ice cream. Can I kiss you? Can I have?
No.
Can I have one?
No.
Please. Marco.
No.
Can I have one, please?
No.
Please.
No.
One only. I will bite you.
Kandi nga ka
I
ma-vlog.
will bite you. Ah!
Kandi mo ka ma-vlog.
Bye.